All right, let's go to the king of fruit. Some would say durian, but I think the mangosteen is equally prized, if not more. It's a funky fruit. First looks, it looks like a plastic toy. It's very firm and dry in the exterior. It's not giving you a tip as to what it's going to look like on the inside. So check it out. It's a very interesting structure. So best tool, again, for me, is serrated paring. And again, I'm going to find the equator on this, and I'm going to score, not cut all the way through, but another maybe a 1 to 2 millimeter score until I get all the way around. Find that original score mark. And once I have scored it, I'm going to pop that top open by taking it, squeezing at the score, and watch what happens. That's it. It's got a very unique cluster structure, and the actual fruit. So again, you take a look. That's what it looked like before, and then we pop it open. This is the edible portion. These are very rough, dry exterior skin, and I'll take my knife and we eat the white parts. And although there are seeds in here, the seeds tend to be soft. Only when you get these very large pulpy bits, you might get like more of a bone, a soft bone. You know what I mean? Like a seed that will crunch. So there's the edible portion right there. Let's do a taste. Wow, this is my favorite fruit in the world, like by far. It's tart and sweet in the way that a really delicious, like the perfect peach would be. The balance between acid and sweet is amazing. It's very floral in a good way, not in like a roses way, but more like more like in a jasmine sense. So there it is, friends. That's what mangosteens look like and eat like on the inside.